How to reset Logitech G435 headset. So if you want to reset Logitech G435 headset, then what you need to do is just watch this video. Now, to factory reset your Logitech G435 headphones, you need to make sure that the headphones are turned on. In order to do a factory reset, you need to press 3 seconds or longer mute button plus volume up button. LED will flash orange 3 times. Press 3 seconds or longer mute button plus volume down button and it will be factory reset. But if you want a hard reset instructions, then you need to remove your left ear cup. You will see a small pinhole towards the bottom left of your headphone. Press and hold using a paper clip for at least 2 seconds. And after that, your headset will be reset. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.